Tell us your scary story. I don't want to talk about a scary story right now. Do I? What do we want to talk about? I hate new TikTok updates with all the notifications you're live. I don't know what it is, and my brain doesn't let me like stop and read it. I'll read the next one, but I'm a boomer. Boomer vibes. Do you ever have the bread sweat? I'm like kind of sweating right now. Favorite place in Japan? Ginza. I love, if you like walking around shops. I don't necessarily ever want to buy anything, but if you like going to like, you know, it's the same vibe as like going to Target and not buying anything, or like walking around the mall. You just like the good possibility vibes. Go to Ginza. You have a guy, you want to bring him there. They have some car stuff there too, so it's a good like half. Who, like the clown, what is the clown thing you keep on talking about? Oh, I do love Odaiba. The bathhouse. Jeez. I need to take my meds. Just my ADHD meds, don't worry about it. That bathhouse is amazing. Do you have a favorite green tea? Ooh. Oh man, what do I buy? Here in the US, I just buy Lipton. Boring. In Japan, I can't remember the brands. It's in kanji. There's no way. Every time I look down at the comments. This is why I'm so excited if I ever go back to Japan, because there's so much that I can show you guys. And the whole time I've been on TikTok is I've never been in Japan. Okay, anyway. My ADHD, don't worry. Yeah, I'm glitching, it's fine. Can you breathe better after your nose surgery? Right after my nose surgery, I was able to like smell things, and now I can't anymore, and I don't know what's up with that. Yeah. But I can definitely like inhale better. Yo, none of y'all told me my nose was crooked after I got my surgery. Stop. But then it got straightened out. But my nose was, no, I'm not joking. Which way was it? I think it was all the way over here. It was straight up like that. And I was like, look guys, my nose looks so good. And like, I think maybe one or two people were like, it's crooked. And I was like, no, it's not. It's fine. Nobody cares. What part of Dallas are you from? How do you know? How do you know? Do you hear it? My mom's from Dallas, and I take my accent after her. I grew up in Georgia, but like I have like a weird mix of Georgia and Texas accent. Single mom. I already read it, and I already reacted to it. Sorry if I didn't react the way you wanted me to. How do you say "Hey, beautiful" in Japanese when I join your stream? Oh my god, you would say, how would you say that? Well, we'd say like "konbanwa" because it's nighttime. How do you say like "kire"? But then if you put it in a person form, nobody cares as much. Sorry. I was thinking upstate New York with my accent. I don't hear an accent. Hi, Sakura. Ooh. Y'all be barking? Hi. Hi, Napoleon. How are you? Sorry, you just glitched my phone. Hi. Oh my gosh, sorry if it glitched for a second. Hi, Napoleon. How are you? How do you say sweaty? I'm still sweaty. Don't bring it up. Thank you. You talk to my, it's a live stream. What do you want me to do? It's been a hot minute. I know. I used to come on live every single day, but you have your southern accent. Yeah, I do have my southern accent. IP address? IP address? Mm? You had it on your profile. What? Upstate New York. You don't sound like us. I don't sound New York. Yeah, I totally agree. You guys say "use" different. Coffee. What was that thing? Coffee at the corner. Can't do it. I hope you're great too. I missed you. I haven't been on here, so I miss you guys so much. Thank you for following. The nuts video. Did you come from the raccoon testicles video? I'm about to ooh, info in Nevada. Somebody DM'd me on Instagram and they were like, here's like real videos of, not real pictures of Nevada. I thought about making a part 3. and I just couldn't legitimize it. So I don't want to put that out there. But people are saying that she's still in Japan. There's like a rumor that 4chan found Nevada like 2 years ago, and that she's still living in Japan, and that they had those pictures of her. It was really interesting because they really did look like her, but I don't know if it's real or not, so I'm not going to put it on the internet. But yeah. I remember when you went on the roof with your balloons. I did that when I had 100K. That's crazy. Have you ever been to Trinidad? No, I haven't. I missed it. What were you in Japan for? I went to go study in Japan. I wanted to improve my Japanese, but once COVID hit, my family wanted me to come back in quarantine with them in the States, so I did that. And then they closed the borders. So I haven't been back in Japan. I really want to go back. Live stream tomorrow. Hopefully that if they come, since it's winter, they don't come every single night, but I will try to catch them tomorrow. Good morning from Jamaica. Hi. We're in the same time zone. What's up? Do you know there isn't any water? There's like a tiny bit. Joke's on you. That was so long. Yeah. Chip my tooth today. How'd you chip your tooth? We're in Japan. I lived in Yokohama. Are you an island boy? I'm an island gal. Me no speak English. There, now I finished. Yeah, I live on an island when I'm in the U.S. off of Georgia. So it's kind of like, it's close to Florida. Like an hour and a half away from the border. Yeah. What was my point? I don't know. Japan be ghosting. When I call the embassy, the Japanese embassy in Atlanta, and like they're like, shit, she's back, and I'm like, hey guys, and then they're like, no, block her. Stop. Howdy doody. I bit down on a fork too hard. Did it hurt? I'm sorry, Kyle. I kind of want to see a pic. If you're cool sending me a pic of your broken tooth on Instagram. Thank you for following.